Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in a Toyota Highlander. First, gather your essential tools like a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and safety gloves. Always prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Make sure the engine is completely off and has cooled down to prevent any accidental burns or electrical issues. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Begin by locating your battery, usually found under the hood, and gently remove any plastic covers. Always disconnect the negative terminal first. It's marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut and carefully remove the cable. Next, disconnect the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and then remove the battery hold-down clamp that secures the battery in place. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Be mindful that car batteries can weigh around 40 pounds, so lift with your legs to avoid injury. Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray and cable connectors thoroughly, removing any corrosion with a wire brush and cleaning solution. Now, place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it's properly seated, and then secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. To complete the installation, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are snug and secure, but avoid over-tightening. Double-check that the battery itself is firmly held in place and doesn't wiggle. Finally, start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. For more great deals and a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.